Hey neighbor, Bigbenthiessen here with RE/MAX Executives, and welcome to Winnipeg in April. That's right, we're here in the North End, super affordable, turnkey operation here. We've got a 3-bedroom bungalow ready to go. Let's go check it out. It's a 3-bedroom bungalow, fully fenced yard. We've got updated roof, we've got updated flooring, we've got a beautiful bathroom, nice kitchen, we've got updated appliances, we've got a mid-efficiency furnace, updated electrical, updated windows, full fresh paint. So many great things going on here. Well, I guess that'll conclude our tour here at 302 Boyd. If you or anyone you know has any questions about this property, or maybe you'd like to book your own private showing, give me a call, text, or email. Or maybe you can think of the perfect person for this property. Add their names to the comments below or click that share button. Thanks, have a great day, and remember, I want to be your realtor.